Hi everyone, it's Sherry with Studio 28E, and I've come to show you this journal that I made for a friend. I made it out of a kit that I designed. The kit is available in my Etsy shop. I'll put that link below. This is a custom journal. It's not available for sale. You could order a custom journal that would be similar to this, but it would not be exactly like this. So it's about 8.5 by 5.5. It's got a 2-inch spine, hidden spine. You can't see that. It's pink cardstock with lace overlay, and then this beautiful lace, white lace with the roses. And I fussy cut out our sweet baby girl. And this is an image from the kit. All of the images, or most of the images, are from the kit. The closure is just a ribbon, which is attached to the spine with a button. Inside we have a lace pocket. It says the story begins, a little floral piece, and several journaling cards that are with the kit. The first page has my name is. I was born on at AM PM in whatever town. I weighed so many pounds and ounces, and I was so long. My mommy's name is, my daddy's name is, my siblings' names are or is or whatever. There's lots of tabs, several pockets. Some have things in them, some do not. Lots of lace or trim. Here's a stamp that says Happy New Baby. A smaller page says crib notes at the bottom, and it's got some washi on it. The other side there's a tuck spot with a journaling card that has lots of space on the back to write. Here's a little piece of lace that's similar to what's on the cover, but it's satin and it's got pink roses. It's a little tree die with children that are reading. It's a page from the kit. Some more lace. It's another page from the kit. All the pink pages are colored with food coloring. Got a stamp there. Another tab with some of the white lace from the front. It's a camera. There's another pocket. Punch the edges with some hearts, and it's got several cards in it. My favorite people, my favorite things. I said what today? I did what today? I guess, those are probably for the things that children shouldn't be doing. And here's another page that was dyed with food coloring. I used it on a grill grate. Some trim and some ribbon and a little piece of lace. Some faux buttons, a belly band with some journaling tags. More lace. This is an image I created. Some more dyed with polka dots. That was another one of those pans that you get to grill on. There's a belly band that I created from the kit. Extra piece I had. I did a writing card out of it. Just a blank page with the flowers. Some pom-poms. Here's a writing page with roses. I created that page. There's some buttons on it. Stamp says sweet stuff, a tab with some flowers. There's another tuck spot, and here's a little tag you can write on. And it just tucks right in there. Here's something, a page from the kit. It says Quaint Thoughts. This I actually printed on the dyed paper, which does not always run through the printer, but that time it did. It came up pretty well. There's the inside of the first signature. It has 2 signatures. I'm not quite sure how many pages. I think that have 40 pages front and back, I believe. So a total of 80 pages in the journal. And there's a little owl charm and a button. Another image from the kit. More images. A little tab, a little flower. Another little bling thing. Writing page. What is this? Oh, that's why. There's a little tuck spot. This was not in a kit. It was something I had printed out a long time ago. I thought it was cute, so I made a tuck spot with piece of cardstock. Here's a journaling card. There's another tag. Another little tuck spot made out of some lace and some ribbon and flower and one of the words that I printed. And this is just a little writing sheet. It's from the kit. Some more of the dyed paper. Another tuck spot. It's from the kit. This image is not from the kit. Little tags you can write on. Punch the edges. Some of the trim. Some buttons from the kit. There's another pocket. Back side of that page. Here's another camera image on some dyed pages. It's from the kit. This is from the kit. And I put Sisters Forever here. The kit that you'll purchase does not say Sisters Forever. I put that there because I knew she had a sister. So I believe it's just two little girls that might say Friends Forever. There's some lace. Image from the kit with a little card that goes in a little pocket. You can write on the back and write on the bottom. From the kit. Not from the kit, I'm sorry. That's dyed and some washi. Some trim. And this is a pocket. This is an image from the kit. These cards are from the kit. I put little tabs on them so she can just grab them to pull out. There's an image from the kit. We're on to the second signature, and there's our sticker. And I put a tab on this and some trim. And on this side, I put a piece of ribbon. I need to trim that so it would hold this little extra writing booklet. That was a tag I made. This is not in the kit. It was just some paper I had, so I punched it, made a tag out of it. Folding tag. There's an image that's tickled pink. This is from the kit. It too is a pocket. It has some more of those heart cards in it. This is from the kit. It's a baby carriage. And it's a pocket as well. The other side with some stamping. Another piece of the satin trim with the roses. More dyed, food color dyed pages. More lace. Page from the kit says Nursery Rhymes and Lullabies. And there's some lullabies and Mother Goose and Cow Jumped Over the Moon. Crib Notes. Page from the kit. There's some dyed pages. The green you see here is actually botanicals. I had dyed paper using botanicals at the same time. There's some trim, and here's something, a piece of washi that says always stay humble and always be kind. The other side with a little bit of an embellishment. Here's another belly band with another little book that I made that just has random pieces of paper, nothing special, just extras. Can be used for writing. So that's from the kit. This is from the kit, and it's empty. She can put what memories. Oh no, so I put something in it. I put some extra cutouts in there for her to use if she'd like. This is from the kit, tuck spot. It's a kit. Pocket. It's the center of the second signature with the same beads, button, and an owl. And here's pocket. Another piece of ribbon and some trim and a blessing and a flower, and that could be used as a tuck spot as well. It's another little tuck spot. Another tab with flowers. There's some memories. This is from the kit. This is from the kit. This is from the kit. I attached it to make a pocket out of it. I attached a flower. And here's another tag card I made using 4x4 or 6x6, I forget what it was. Piece of cardstock. More trim. More lace. Here's another tag I made using that same type of paper. There's a little bunny rabbit in the circle. More dyed pages. Here's a Kate Greenaway image of 3 babies kind of tumbling. There's a pocket, set of sweet stuff, lace, photographs, short page. This is from the kit. No, this is not from the kit. I'm sorry, I dyed this. I'm sorry. This is from the kit. It says playtime. And in this little pocket is a bunch of extra little words and some flowers and some extra tabs and a happy birthday and baby's first birthday, baby's first Christmas, some extra tickets she can write on or use for tabs, and some puppy stickers. And that just about wraps it up. I hope she likes it. I hope you all enjoyed it. And like I said, the kit is available in my Etsy shop. And if you'd like a custom journal similar to this journal, just let me know and I'd be happy to give you a price and work on a journal for you and see what we can come up with. Well, thank you.